Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to add a quiz as an activity or resource inside a course in Moodle LMS. So let's get started. So first you just have to click on add a new course, and here you can give it whatever name you feel like. I'll just give it as HTML over here, HTML over here, change the date if you feel like, and here we can just click on save and display. Okay, I'll just skip this tour. I'll delete this particular announcement section. I don't really want it. If you want, you can keep it as well. Then all you need to do is you just have to click on add an activity or resource, and here you will see quiz section. Click on it, and here you can give it some name. I'll just name it as my quiz. Okay, and yeah, you can change the timing, grade, layout if you feel like. I'll keep everything as default, and I'll click on save and display. Then we need to add a questions to our quiz. So I'll just add one question, but the method remains same. If you want to add multiple questions, just click on add a question. Then here you will have to click on add, and here you will have to click on plus a new question. Here you will have to select what type of question you want to add. I'll just add a true or false because that's the easiest one. And here I'll just create one question: is HTML necessary for web dev? Okay, and I'll just name it the same in question text as well, and I'll just scroll down, and a correct answer is true. Here you can change the answer, whatever is the correct answer, and here you can click on save changes. So yeah, and if you want to add more questions, just click on add over here plus new question. And if you go back to your course, here you can see the my quiz section has been added. So yeah, that's how you can add a quiz as an activity or resource in a course in Moodle LMS. Thank you for watching. Bye.